Hi friends! Are you ready for some super fun learning today? We're going to learn all about skip counting by fours. Look, our friend is ready to jump. Let's start with number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our first number. Now, let's add 4 more. 4 plus 4 makes 8. Wow! Look at those pretty flowers. From 8, we add 4 again. 8 plus 4 equals 12. So many colorful butterflies. Keep going. 12 plus 4 equals 16. Look at the cute little ducks. 16 plus 4 makes 20. Can you see the shiny stars? 20 plus 4 equals 24. So many yummy cherries. 24 plus 4 equals 28. And 28 plus 4 equals 32. Almost there. 32 plus 4 is 36. And 36 plus 4 makes 40. We did it! Fantastic! Now, let's say them all together one more time. Are you ready? Let's go! 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 20, 34, 28, 32, 36, 40. You're doing amazing! You are super skip counters. Keep practicing your fours, and you'll be a pro in no time. See you next time.